Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you trying to make your LinkedIn post stand out? Adding a bold text to your post is a great way to highlight important informations and grab attention. In today's video, I'll show you how to bold text in LinkedIn post using simple tools and techniques. So let's get started. LinkedIn doesn't offer a built-in option to bold the text directly, but you can use free online text formatting tools to create bold text. So for that, firstly you have to open the browser and search for Unicode Text Formatter on the search box. Once you have searched for it, click on the option saying Unicode Formatter. Now from the text box, clear all text and type the text which you want to make bold. After you have entered the text which you want to make bold, click on it and select all. After that, click on the option to make it bold. As you can see, the text you have entered has been made bold. So now just simply tap on the option saying copy, and after that, open the LinkedIn app from a mobile device. Click on the create post option, and now when you paste the copied text, you can see it has been made bold, and when you are satisfied, hit the option saying post. Now when you open your profile to see the post, you can see the text being bold, and there you go. Now you know how to bold text in LinkedIn post. It's a simple trick that can make your post stand out. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.